Good morning, guys. So it is 8:05, and hello. So we stayed at the Milford Sound Lodge, and we did like bunk bed. Cannot English at the moment. Yeah, so we did like a backpacker style again, but this time it was different again. This time we had roommates, but instead of like the enclosed our own beds, we had bunk beds instead. And the two before us that came, those two preferred sleeping on the bottom two bunks, so that was fine. So we just slept on the top two bunks and everything. Really nice people. Their names are Philip and Cindy, and they're both from Germany. They're actually going on the morning cruise, and so are we, but I think we're going on a different cruise because we're with different companies. But yeah, I'm just gonna get completely ready with my stash of, no, they're not goodies, they're just makeup, so pretty boring stuff, but yeah, let's get started. La la la. I'm using this as a mirror, so yeah. And then, woo! Got it. Okay. So if you're wondering what is in this contacts case, this has actually got two sides. One side is my primer, and the other side's got like my liquid foundation if I feel like liquid foundation more. So yeah. Oh, and there goes all the music, because you know, my car here isn't a car without music. Alright.
Yeah.
I got a bucket here. Oh yes. Okay. I'm beautifying my panda
Are you recording yourself doing your makeup?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, it's conversation. I was feeling lonely.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he puts up a lot. Thank you! Yeah. I'm about and look at our rich life. So rich.
Not that rich.
Richer than a sandwich. The seals!
Hey Steph, can you bring your tea towel here please?
Socks are soaked. My feet.
On the cruise at the moment. We're actually almost back to land. So yeah, the cruise was really beautiful. We got to see all the mountains, learn about how the glacier kind of cut its way through the fjord and everything. For cheap.
This is like the money shot.
Is it really? We finished our cruise and our mini hikes. We are now off to Lake Marian
Yeah.
to do the 3-hour hike there. Then we'll be going back down to Queenstown. So yeah, let's get going. And this is the music choice we decided on. Yes? What do you need?
Turn it on.
Turn what off?
Turn it on.
Turn what on? Your phone? It's really warm now. It was really like gloomy before. So the breeze is nice. The sun is nice. The song is nice. Everything is just nice. So yeah, let's get it going. Our last hike in Milford Sound. And here we go. 3-hour hike.
Come on, Sharon, let's go.
Oh no, that's not moving.
Oh, it's not the same. You did it heaps easily that time.
Because we were almost at the end. Oh, my legs are shaking though. Can you move?
What happened to your legs?
I got bitten by... So we made it down towards the lake just to give our undersoles a good rinse. I'll just wait for Ray to finish his first. So yeah. Back to Queenstown. Meal for the night.
What are you gonna get?